Ever notice how some people shake off a cold in just 48 hours while you're still reaching for tissues a week later? The difference usually isn't genes or pricey pills. It's those foods to boost immune system quickly. They sneak into breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Stick around to discover 10 delicious, science-backed healthy immune foods that can turn your body's defense squad from barely there to battle-ready, plus rapid-fire recipes and grocery shortcuts. Ready to power up? Let's dig in. Just a polite reminder that this video is for educational purposes only, and that you should always consult your doctor before utilizing any natural cures. Why food is the foundation of strong immunity. Think of your immune system as a neighborhood fire department. It needs fuel vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, maintenance antioxidants that prevent rust inside your cells, clear roads a healthy gut so immune cells can reach every house. Colorful whole foods supply all three at once. Start every morning with protein, fiber, and color. A spinach mushroom omelet with roasted sweet potato cubes checks each box. Prefer sweet? Overnight oats with chia, blueberries, and Greek yogurt feed those friendly gut bacteria that coordinate immunity. Plus, they're meal prep friendly for busy weekdays. Tiny habit tip. Keep a rainbow rule on your fridge door. Aim for at least 3 colors of produce before noon. The visual reminder nudges you to grab strawberries instead of a donut. The science behind immune-boosting nutrients. Your microscopic heroes crave 5 superstar nutrients. Here's the cheat sheet and exactly where to find them without a pharmacy run. Vitamin C supercharges white blood cell production. Crunch raw red bell pepper strips. They pack more C than oranges and travel well for work snacks. Vitamin A fortifies the lining of your nose and lungs, blocking germs at the door. 1 medium-baked sweet potato covers your daily needs and doubles as a hearty side. Zinc is the radio dispatcher, helping immune cells spot trouble. Toss pumpkin or sunflower seeds on salads. 2 tablespoons deliver roughly half your daily value. Vitamin D balances over and underactive responses. 10 safe minutes of sunshine at lunch, or a serving of salmon or fortified oat milk, keeps levels steady year-round. Antioxidants disarm cell-damaging free radicals. A cup of mixed berries over a spinach base delivers a double dose with almost zero prep. Bottom line, if your plate is loud with color, you're likely covered. Supplements are Plan B, not Plan A. Top 5 vegetables for immune health. Number 1, broccoli. Vitamins A, C, E, plus sulforaphane, a detox compound that upgrades immune cell software. Light steaming or flash sautéing keeps nutrients intact. Number 2, garlic nature antibiotic. Allicin fights viruses, bacteria, even some fungi. Finely mince a clove into guacamole or drizzle garlic-infused olive oil over veggies. Number 3, sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene converts to vitamin A, reinforcing skin and mucous membranes, your first defense wall. Roast extras Sunday night for quick weekday lunches. Number 4, red bell peppers twice the vitamin C of oranges. Stuff them with quinoa and black beans for an immune-boosting meal in one edible bowl. Number 5, spinach. The invisible hero. Magnesium in spinach activates 300+ immune enzymes. A handful disappears into any smoothie, pesto, or scrambled eggs. Top 5 fruits for immune support. Number 1, citrus all-stars. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruit supply vitamin C plus bioflavonoids that boost absorption. Zest the peel into dressings for an antioxidant bonus. Number 2, kiwi. A vitamin C powerhouse with actinidin, a digestive enzyme that keeps your gut humming. Slice over yogurt for tang and texture. Number 3, berries. Blueberries and strawberries brim with anthocyanins that dial down inflammation. Keep a frozen stash for smoothies and oat toppers year-round. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. and I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to number 4, pineapple. Bromelain thins mucus and calms sinus flare-ups. Grill rings for a smoky sweet taco topper or blitz them into salsa. Number 5, apples. Soluble fiber plus quercetin act as a natural antihistamine, perfect during pollen season. Eat the skin, that's where the quercetin hides. Smoothie hack. Blend pineapple, frozen berries, spinach, fresh ginger, and kefir. It tastes like vacation, but works like medicine. Kids love the color. Adults love the anti-inflammatory punch. Foods to avoid for a stronger immune system. Sugar bombs. 1 can of soda drops white cell activity by 40% for up to 5 hours. Processed meats, nitrates, and inflammatory omega-6 fats keep immune cells stuck on cleanup duty. Deep-fried everything. Oxidative stress skyrockets. Your cells age faster than day-old avocado. Ultra-refined grains, white bread, and sugary cereals trigger glucose spikes and immune dips. Quick fixes. Swap soda for sparkling water with citrus slices. Choose air-fried chicken over drive-through nuggets, and trade white bread for sprouted grain toast to keep blood sugar and immunity steady. How to work these foods into your day. Breakfast. Overnight oats with chia, diced kiwi, and a dash of cinnamon. Mid-morning. Apple slices plus a handful of pumpkin seeds for zinc and healthy fats. Lunch. Lentil soup loaded with garlic, spinach, and sweet potato cubes, fiber, protein, and beta-carotene in one bowl. Afternoon, sip green tea and savor a square of 70% dark chocolate for an antioxidant lift without a sugar crash. Dinner. Quick stir-fry of broccoli, red pepper, and tofu or chicken over brown rice. Finish with a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C. Grandma's tonic. Simmer crushed garlic, sliced ginger, turmeric, and lemon in water for 10 minutes. Stir in raw honey once it cools slightly. Sip at the first throat tickle. Common mistakes and warnings. More isn't always better. Exceeding 40 milligrams of zinc daily can suppress immunity. Mega-dosing vitamin C? Your kidneys flush the excess, and your wallet weeps. Skipping meals drains glycogen stores and weakens first-line defenses. Consistency beats perfection every time. Smart move, food first, supplements second, and only with professional guidance. Which of these foods that boost immune system already live in your kitchen? Drop your favorite recipe or your grandmother's secret cough remedy in the comments. The best tip gets pinned and may appear in a future video. Alright, let's run through the highlights. Immunity begins in the kitchen, not the pharmacy aisle. Load up on broccoli, garlic, spinach, sweet potatoes, and red peppers. Snack daily on citrus, kiwi, berries, pineapple, and apples. Cut back on sugary drinks, processed meats, fried foods, and ultra-refined grains. Build colorful, whole food plates consistently. Your immune squad will thank you in energy, resilience, and fewer sick days. Put it all together, and you'll recover faster, feel stronger, and maybe skip next winter's flu frenzy altogether. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our weekly wellness guides. If you're as passionate about nutrition and its benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to 10 foods to boost your immune system quickly. Embrace health, celebrate life.